I'll be straight with you. This AI stack replaced $4,000 a month in software, and it's completely free. 6 free tools run my entire content pipeline. Here's exactly what replaces each paid app. Claude's free tier writes full video scripts. It resets every 5 hours, not monthly. That's the same job Jasper charges $69 a month for. Edge TTS turns text into narration in under 90 seconds. It's the same Microsoft voice engine 11 Labs Pro uses. 11 Labs charges $99 a month for that. NA10 runs my automations with 0 task limits. Self-hosted means unlimited triggers all day long. Zapier caps you at 2,000 tasks before charging more. Zapier has more integrations, 7,000 versus 500. But NA10's code nodes close most of that gap, and it costs nothing. Here's the real math. 6 tools, $0 total. The stack they replace costs $4,000 a month. After 3 weeks running this daily, I'd give it an 8.5 out of 10. It's brutal for solo creators willing to learn Docker. Skip it if you need guaranteed uptime. Links in the description. Subscribe for daily AI tool reviews.